Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to break down the CapCut multi-platform sync. Here I'm going to show you how you can sync your CapCut phone to PC using the built-in cloud space feature. So if you guys didn't know, CapCut has a built-in cloud, so you can just sync your mobile projects to the CapCut PC in seconds. So what you need to do here, you need to set up your CapCut cloud space. So you can just here, you can choose your projects that you want to upload into space or cloud. You can just click on the three dots icon and click on upload to space. And here you can just choose your space in here, and if you want to create a new one, you can just head into projects in here, and then you can create a new spaces in here. You can just click on create a theme space or your own space, and after that on the CapCut PC you just need to log in into the CapCut application using the same email or the same account, and you can just open the projects on the cloud space. So just like that, your CapCut projects will be interlinked into each other. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.